Hello, my name's David, and this is my YouTube channel, Moto Frozo. We call it that because we're up here in frozen Bangor, Maine, although it's a beautiful spring day right now. There's a lot of projects here in the shop to keep me busy, but the one I'm focusing on right now is this Italjet Kit Kat foldable scooter. It's a tiny thing. It has a moped motor on it from Franco Marini. It's a model M01 motor, single speed, and maybe it's good for 30 miles an hour. It would probably feel like 100 on something with these tiny tires. I got it from a friend of mine, and it had been sitting under somebody's workbench for an unknown number of years. When I got it, the motor didn't turn over properly, and there's a bunch of other more minor issues. But what I'll do is work on this and explore what its problems are and get her going, and we'll record it on YouTube. Hope you enjoy it.